Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change theme on Messenger. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Messenger application on my mobile phone. If you don't have Messenger application on your mobile phone, you can go to your Facebook and then you can open up the Facebook direct messages. And here I have installed my Messenger, so I just need to open up my Messenger app on my mobile phone. Okay, and here I'm going to show you how we can change a theme on group chat or personal chat. And the first one, I'm going to change or customize my theme on my personal chat. So I'm going to open up one of my personal chat on this messenger, this one. Okay, and this is my current theme guys, and I'm going to change it. We can go to the theme. You can click on the account's name first and then you are going to select a theme, and here you'll be able to choose a lot of themes for your chat. And for this personal chat, I'm going to select for example this one guys, sky theme. Again, this is the preview before we apply the theme to our chat. And then if we want to apply it, we can click on select and the theme will be applied to our chat. And as you can see guys, that my theme has been changed. And then if you want to change it again, you just need to click on change right here. Okay, and you'll be able to change it again. And I'm just going to go back and I'm going to show you guys how we can change a theme on our group chat. Basically, the step is the same with the personal chat, but I still want to show you. We can open up our group chat and then we can select the group chat's name and go to the theme, and here you can choose suitable theme for your group chat. And for my group chat, I'm going to select wait guys, for example this one, lo-fi. Okay, and this is the preview, and I'm going to apply this theme to my group chat. We're going to click on select and the theme has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change theme on Messenger. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.